Hello everybody. So recently I have bought this CD from Anthrax, Sound of White Noise, Japanese version, double CD. You can see the CD case is a bit thicker. Just to compare, this is a regular CD case. You can see the size is almost double, so we can assume there's gonna be some extra material inside. On the back of the CD you can see the original track list, same as all the other version, and you can see the bonus tracks on a separate CD. There's the barcode and Japanese writing, catalog number, and also the label Electra Warner Music. So let's jump in and open the CD, open the case. So this one, CD1 with the original album. I also own the European version, but I don't have it in hand, so I cannot compare the two. But as far as I remember, this is the same booklet that it came with, so these two are completely identical. So this is booklet number 1. Booklet number 2 for the Japanese edition. So I guess they made a separate photo session, because if you check their clothes, they are different from this photo session. So there is some biography, some interesting facts about the musicians. You can also see autographs, the message to the fans, the Japanese fans. So you can see all the 5 band members. Some Japanese translation. Yeah, Anthrax biography. I think it was necessary that time because it was a new singer and also a new style. They went to the new genre from thrash metal to alternative metal. Yeah, nice booklet, lots of photos, quite like it. It's a nice addition to the original CD. So this one is a sticker to the band, was original. And this one I think you can send by post back to the label or the distributor in Japan, answer a few questions. I have no idea because I cannot speak or read Japanese, so I can only take a wild guess. And there is another booklet. You can see bonus tracks here, original track list there, so probably it is the Japanese translation of the songs. Probably it is. And then there is CD number 2 with the bonus tracks. There you go. And that's it for the CD. Anthrax, Sound of White Noise, one of my favorite Anthrax albums. I really liked the John Bush era. Unfortunately, it was not really successful for them, so they got rid of him eventually and went back to Belladonna. But this is a nice CD.